this is what I wanted to talk about. Last night, there was very high winds, and I was hoping that my orchids would be okay, but as you can see, they were not. Oh my gosh. Actually, I shouldn't complain because this is like the extent of the damage that happened. These are the rest of my orchids, and they all seem to be okay. Guys, it was real windy. It got scary. As you can see, the curtains fell down on the rest of the plants. These guys stay up because I was smart enough to put them up on wire, which at first I thought was kind of, I don't know, a little jacked. But anyway, you see this? Yeah. And these were my sick ones. Of course, it happens to the sick ones. Hopefully they'll be okay. I'm going to get to repotting them as soon as I can. But everything else seems to be doing okay. As a matter of fact, I wanted to talk to you about how good they're doing out here. I mean, seriously, there's growth like crazy. I don't know. Let me see if I can show you. I don't want to give you a headache by going too fast, but here we go. Let's see. See, there and there and there and back there and oh, back. Let's see, there. I mean, there's growth on all of them, so they are loving it out here. It has been a pretty humid summer, so I'm assuming that is why. But yeah, I'm going to do this again next year. I was kind of worried about bringing them out here. But they're doing really good. There's the Vanda, and it's got some root growth right there. Now this one here, I brought it outside just to share with you. I have this one inside. And the reason why I have it inside is because we live in a small animal farm. There's horses back there. We have goats and we have a ton of chickens. So anytime the door opens, the flies come into the house. And that just comes with the territory of being out in the country. But this guy, I have him inside, and I don't know that I'll be able to show you, but anyway, he's got flies in there. He has been eating the flies in my house. Obviously, he's not going to take care of the whole problem, but it's fun to watch, at least. Aren't those beautiful, those pictures? I am so happy, and there's another one coming right there, and another one coming in the back. So he's doing really good. So this is my job for today, guys. This is it. Picking up the pieces, fixing the curtain, and repotting those pots. It's a beautiful day. The sun has come out, so I'm hoping that it will continue that way. But yeah, there it is again. Oh well, they'll be fine. This one fell down too, but this one ended up straight up, so she's fine. Now back here under the curtain, there's plants too, but they're okay. They just happen to get the curtain right on them. Let's see, there you go. See, they're fine. They just had a curtain dropped on them. Right here, this is an interesting thing that I'm going to show you right here. I have some willow trees out back, and I went ahead and trimmed them. And then I stuck these things in water, and look, they all rooted. I'm excited because I am going to put these guys over there. On that line you see right there, that's where I'm going to plant them. I'm hoping that they, they'll create a nice little, I don't know, a windbreak or just a little bit of privacy right there. Anyway, it works and they're free, so why not? Let me give you a tour of my porch that is so windblown right now. There's our pigeons. I have more out back, but these are the ones that we have out front just because I like to sit out here and watch them. So, yeah, here's a tour of my little porch. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to get to potting. I'll post some pictures at the end of this video of my potted plants. Thank you. Bye.